Future tense, simple and continuous. We use the future tense to talk about something that will happen, like when we are planning our holidays. We are going to travel in the future. This tense has two principal auxiliary verbs, will and going to. We use will to talk about things that might happen. We will visit Paris. We use going to refer to a plan or to talk about something that is likely to happen. My brother and I are going to issue our passports. As you can see, going to is accompanied by the verb to be, which will be conjugated with the subject of the sentence. My brother is going to visit my parents this week. They are going to be so happy to see him. The structure of sentences in simple future is subject, auxiliary verb, principal verb, complement. In Paris, we are going to stay at my friend's house. If we want to refer to actions or events that will be in progress at a particular time in the future, we should use the future continuous. Its structure is subject, auxiliary verb will, auxiliary verb be infinitive, principal verb with ing, and the complement of the sentences. At this time next year, we will be walking by the Palace of Versailles. Learn more by visiting our English course.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.